my happy vegan bakers, and I wanted to share with you an unboxing. This is not a sponsored video. This is something I bought on my own, and I saw a lot of people buying from Thrive Market. I got a Thrive Market box. Thrive Market is a website where you can buy vegan and organic and stuff that's good for the planet, and like food, and they have bath and body products, so you can check out their website. But I thought that I would try it out because I saw a lot of people trying it out, and since we're in this global pandemic, and a lot of the grocery stores don't have what I've been looking for, still can't find tofu, but I didn't add any to my order on this, but just like all the nutrient stuff I need. So I'm just gonna open this box. Oh, and I got this box, I think I ordered it last week, at the beginning of the week, and it came a week later. So it wasn't too bad on shipping. Also with Thrive Market, you have to buy a membership, but I think it's $49 or $40. I'm not 100% sure. You can check on the website for a yearly membership, but you can also do like a monthly membership, and I think that's like $9 a month or $10 a month, $9.99, and it's a subscription so that you can use their online store and shop in it. I think they also donate meals to the hungry. I'm also not 100% sure about that. I haven't really looked into them. But, so I'm going to open up my box. So, I opened up the box this far, and it says, this box and items contents 100% recyclable and shipped with carbon natural footprint. So, that's great. I love the sound of that. I'm going to spin the box. And on the other side, it says, our community is committed to making healthy living easy and affordable for every family. Okay. Then it says, it's what's on the inside that counts. Sorry, that's upside down. And this says, packed with love, and it gives a name. So, thank you for packing it with love. Oh, and it says, these products are from brands that support fair trade, ban GMOs, and prioritize sustainability. That's wonderful. And then it also says, your membership sponsors a free one for a family, teacher, student, veteran, or first responders in need. So I think it sponsors so somebody else can get a membership. So that's good. It's got all of this recyclable papers. I can use this for some craft projects. So that's pretty nice. This box is packed so beautifully. So it smells good in here too. I can't even remember all the stuff that I bought. It smells like soap though. Or something minty. Smells good. Alright, so I'm going to pick out what I got. Ooh, it just came right out of the box. I guess I picked it up wrong. So, I'll just put it here then. So, I got Julie's Medjool dates. Plant pits here. Oh, you can plant the pits. Oh, well, now that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. I use these for my smoothies. I love to use dates in my smoothies. Adds a little bit of sweetness. Oh, there you go. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I got the dates. Alright, so the next thing I'm taking out of my Thrive Market box are these Twist Scrub Sponge. They're plant-based. They're natural cellulose. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's a 3-pack. Again, there's sponges. No glue. Hand sewn. Dye free. I thought these would work out great. So again, twists. So they have all kinds of brands, and they also have the Thrive Market brand, and they have like other brands too, but they have their own brands. Which I think I got the Thrive Market. Yep, I got Thrive Market black chia seeds. Chia seeds I like to also put in my smoothies. I like to use in my oatmeal. It's good in a lot of things. They're very healthy for you. So I got some chia seeds. Alright, what else did I get? Next thing I got was Nutivia hemp seed, raw shelled. I've never used hemp seed, but it seems like they're very good for you. Look at that. Omega per a tablespoon. Wow, look at that. Well, there's a recipe on here for a banana shake. Ooh, I'm definitely trying that out. Wow, that's great. This is probably what I'm smelling. It smells so good. 7th generation dish soap. I like how they packaged it. It seemed to have leaked just a little bit, but that's okay. That's the one I use because it's powered by plants. What else do we got in here? What do we got in here, Miss Patience? You want to join me? Can I open my box? Alright. Next, I bought a veggie brush to wash all my veggies with. It cleans produce from apples to zucchini. Bamboo handle lets you clean with ease. Recycled and natural bristles are tough but gentle. Safe for you. Non-toxic. Earth-friendly materials. And it's responsible living. So that's good. So I can clean all my veggies, because you gotta clean everything you get from the stores. Let's see, what else do I have? Ooh, I got something wrapped up right in here. Oh, I don't even remember what. I know I bought some matcha. I wonder if that's the matcha powder. Here, let me unwrap it. Well, this is cool. This packaging material. That's fun. Alright. And then I got, oh yeah, I forgot. Thrive Market organic canned coconut milk. I was going to make a rice and use some coconut milk in the rice, so I needed that. Keeping up with my dental hygiene and trying some of this Thrive Market floss. Oh, maybe that's the minty smell. Yeah, that's the minty smell I'm smelling. So this is Glides with organic beeswax. Now, I don't normally support bees, but there's no animal testing and it's eco-friendly, so so we'll try it. I'm one to buy things and use it and not waste it, so if I don't like it, somebody in my house might. And I think last thing in this box oh, I got a little tiny thing of matcha. I thought it was going to be a bigger container, but it's alright. It's stone ground green tea powder. Matcha love. This is kind of a little splurge. You can peel here. I don't know why. Peel here. I guess to recycle. Alright. Matcha, a modern take on an ancient ritual. Maybe I'll make some matcha tea later. Oh, that's how you brew it. Alright, I'll make matcha later. Matcha Love. And it's organic. So at the bottom it says Strive Together. This is such a beautiful box. I almost don't want to toss it out. So this is everything that I got. The hemp seed, the black chia seeds, the twist, the veggie cleaner, some Thrive Market floss, matcha, my Julie's, my jewel dates, 7th generation soap, and my coconut milk. I think for all of this, it was like $45, I do believe, but I could put a final price after I look it up again. And I think you get a percentage off on your first purchase. So that helps out a lot. So I think I'll definitely try this service out again and keep shopping from them. And I will try out all this stuff, let you know how it works out, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, it wasn't sponsored. It was something I bought on my own. So, yeah. If you like this video, please give me a share, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you.